Hey guys, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. We had one of our customers ask if the Mavic 2 Enterprise can fly inside. We believe that it can. So we're here in our building. It's still under construction, not much longer to go, but we wanted to kind of show you guys what it can do in an enclosed space. So here goes. I'm recording the screen too, so hopefully we're gonna give you guys a good idea of what is happening. All right, it's behind me, and I'm gonna try not to crash. Turning the spotlight on. I'm gonna turn it around because it's really bright. All right, so you can see it hovering there right now. I'll bring it a little closer too. So, oh, it's definitely drifting a little bit. So it is definitely not as stable as you would kind of want it to be. Not that it's not stable, like I can fly it, can definitely fly it, but it's drifting for sure. And you'll see on the screen kind of what is happening in terms of GPS and non-GPS. It's sucking in a lot of sawdust in here right now, that's for sure. Can't be good for it. But it's handling pretty well. I mean, for being inside of an enclosed space where it does not have full functionality, full connection, it is doing an okay job. The sensors are definitely guiding it right now because it just backed away from me by itself a little bit. So look, here's my honest answer for you. It can fly inside, it can. Would I do it a lot? Only if you've got a lot of room to let it kind of glide. Right now it's pretty stable, but a little bit ago when I was looking at it, it was definitely, a little bit ago, it was definitely drifting on me. So here, I'm just gonna stand still. Let's see how it does, what the drift is like. It's pretty impressive. I mean, it's indoors. It's indoors, you know, it is flying on obstacle avoidance right now for the most part, and GPS, so its sensors are kind of guiding its way. You could definitely fly it indoors. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you definitely that you should fly it indoors, but I can tell you that it can be flown indoors, but I would make sure you got lots of space to work with. You don't wanna do it in a confined space, because there's definitely like a 3 or 4 foot drift that's happening. And while I love this thing, and I would want to say that I would have no problem flying it inside, I'm a little nervous flying it right now because it is definitely, it just feels like it could go off on me by itself. Like that's taking a while. Like that's doing that by itself, not touching it right now. I'm not touching that, okay. I would definitely make sure you give yourself a ton of space. All right, guys, so there you go. There's your test on the Mavic 2 Enterprise Zoom. Inside, the dual is gonna be the same way. Like I said, personally, I absolutely wouldn't do it in a small confined area. I think it's gonna do okay if you've got like a giant warehouse where you got lots of room for it to kind of go either way, but you don't wanna fly it a lot in a small space. I was definitely nervous in here, flying it in a relatively small space. Even though I got complete control of it, it's a little bit terrifying because I don't want to wreck my stuff. So for what it's worth, that's just an example of what it can do. I'm not endorsing that you fly it inside. I'm just saying that it can be flown, not that it should be flown inside. All right, there you go. Thanks guys. Make sure you check out the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and you like it. We appreciate it. If you got some little experiments you want us to do, let us know. We're up for trying just about anything.